How to update an Android device. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down till you find System. In System, click on System Updates, which is the second last options. If you have any update, you can simply click on Update below Update Size. In here you'll find Update button. If there is any update, you can scroll all the way down to your update package like System Dark Mode, and you'll simply be able to update. And that's how you update an Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.